we are making a delicious hurricane punch that is perfect for those summertime parties. It's really refreshing and fruity, and it has a bit of a kick to it. My name is Alyena and welcome to my kitchen. To start making our punch, we can add in our juices. So here we have 3 cups of passion fruit juice. I love passion fruit. I find it has such a delicious flavor. Next, we have 2 cups of pineapple juice going in. This is a super, really fruity punch, which I love. We also have 1 cup of orange juice and half a cup of freshly squeezed lime juice. And I'm adding in a 4th cup of grenadine, but you can go anywhere from a 4th cup to half a cup, depending on how sweet you like your drinks. Because this already has so much juice in it that's bringing a lot of the sweetness, I'm only going to be adding in a 4th cup. We are using both light rum and dark rum in this recipe, and we have 1.5 cups of light rum going in. This is a pretty boozy drink, so you can always change the level of alcohol to how much you really want in it. And now we can add in our dark rum. I love dark rum, personally. I think it has a really good flavor. We also got this recipe from our neighbor. She's from New Orleans, and I've never tried a hurricane before. So she showed it to us, and I was like, oh my God, this is amazing. I have to share it. And we filled this right to the brim. That's how I like it. So let's just give this a stir so that everything is combined. And I'm not adding any ice to this, A, because it's really full, and also I don't want to dilute our drink. So I'm just going to add some ice to my glass real quick. Now that our glass is full of ice, I like to garnish it with a fresh orange slice, and we have a little strawberry that we actually grew in our garden. So I'm just going to put this on the side, and we can pour in our drink. Now it is the best time because it is the taste test time. That is so good. It's so refreshing, and it's perfect for those summertime parties where you want to have a boozy punch that can sit out all day and that people love. So please let me know if you try this recipe and what you think in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Cheers. It's so good.